Namaste, I'm Dr. Nischal from Bengaluru, India. So I've been in aesthetic dermatology practice for past 17 to 20 years now.
Namaste. I am Dr. Urmila Nischal, consultant aesthetic dermatologist practicing at Nirmal Skin&Hair Clinic, Vijayanagar, Bengaluru, India.
And our practice basically focuses on not only clinical dermatology but also a lot of aesthetic dermatology practice. So we are into a lot of aesthetic procedures like chemical peels, anti-aging services. We are into pigmentary lasers. We are into laser hair reduction, and also a lot of treatments for hair restoration. Mostly among all these things is in India basically the pigmentation and acne. And these two main are the concerns for patients, and that's the main chunk of patients what we see. And we need to cater to these patients, and we need to upgrade ourselves, and we need to deliver better results and better treatments to our patients.
And I'm thrilled to tell you that our practice is improving day by day in terms of the results we have been able to deliver to our patients. And one thing that is important in delivering results is choosing the right technology. And we are super happy with the Quanta Discovery PICO, which is such a versatile tool that we can address a lot of concerns, right from tattoo, pigmentation, scars, rejuvenation, anti-aging, you name it, and we can do with this machine. So as I told earlier that this is a very versatile instrument. So the way it is done is quite different. So for the Indian skin types, usually when doing the laser toning, we prefer the 7.5 millimeter handpiece, and the fluence will be somewhere around 0.8 to 0.9 joule per centimeter square. We keep the frequency at 5 to 10 hertz depending upon the tolerance of the client, and on target areas we can do 2 passes, 3 passes. If a particular area is quite dark, then we use 6 millimeters and 4.5 millimeters as well, but that is only for the local rejuvenation and local targeting of the pigment. What I have found is fractional handpiece is very useful even for pigmentation. So when we use fractional handpiece at 0.2 joules, it gives good improvement in the pigmentation without any significant downtime. And when we want to treat acne scars or any other scars, then we keep the energy or the fluence a little higher, anywhere from 0.8 to 1 joule per centimeter square. And there is little bit of scabbing and crusting following fractional usage of the handpiece, but within 4 to 6 days there is complete healing, and the collagen remodeling that we observe with this is way better.
Indian skin is a versatile skin. So the skin shade starts from type 3 to type 6. So naturally when we are treating, we have to be very careful about pigmentation aspect. So the pigmentation itself is a major problem, and any treatment done to improve the pigmentation can actually aggravate it also. So naturally when we are treating, the safety is one thing which is very important. And this technology is one reliable source where we can safely do treatments with a very low risk or minimal or no risk of pigmentation. And the most important advantage of this machine is the very low risk of post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So when a client comes for an aesthetic indication to improve the skin, we can't give back them a post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So here the safety aspect comes into a great importance. Whenever the heat is delivered when we are doing the laser, either for pigmentation or for acne scars, there is a lot of heating up of the tissues, and that stimulates collagen. So naturally, whatever rejuvenation of the skin which happens when we are treating for pigmentary conditions or for acne scars, the glow which starts improving, or whatever the glow what people find or they observe is actually remarkable, and it is like a bonus. So in addition to doing a treatment thing for a particular condition, the patients are benefiting with the skin glow. So it is an added advantage with the technology. We thank Quanta for such a nice, wonderful, robust machine. which has improved the treatment aspects, which has delivered very good results with no or minimal downtime, very low chance of post-inflammatory hypopigmentation, especially in Indian skin.
So, all people out there who have concerns from pigmentation, scars, aging, rejuvenation, whatever, do come to our clinic, Nirmal Skin and Hair Clinic, and try the Quanta Pico as early as possible. We strive to give you the best always.